Hey folks, it's back again, and here we are, the September of 2021. I still have my 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I now have about 202,000 miles on this car now. Everything's going great with it, knock on wood. Taking care of it, nothing major is going on with it. I replaced the catalytic converters not that long ago. They just went bad. Not burning any oil or anything like that, but sometimes those things eventually go, especially with the amount of miles that I've got on this thing. But that's not why I'm doing this video again. Doing it because I got the same transmission cooler / AC condenser leak that I posted the other video back in, I think 2015 was the first time. So this one, kind of recounting what I had. So the original transmission cooler AC condenser unit lasted about 57,000 miles before it developed a leak on the transmission cooler aspect. Posted that video about at 129,000 miles back, I think it was in 2018. So about 3 years later, I ended up doing the job again. Same exact problem. The first time I replaced it with an OEM Mopar unit. Second time I also did it as well, thinking maybe I got a bad batch or whatever. But that first one lasted 57,000, the original. The second one lasted about 70, I think it's about 71 or 70, yeah, about 72,000 miles and change till the second one failed. And now here we are at 202,000 miles, and we're failed again. And there you go. The issue is right down at this last large tube. This top section here is the transmission cooler aspect. This bottom part is for the AC condenser. This is all transmission fluid, and you know, you guys have seen this before. Dealers are charging a fortune for this thing to do this, you know, 800 to $1,000 last I heard, at a dealership as I call it. But clearly, and as an engineer, I'm telling you, there's a manufacturing or design defect, I would say, more than anything on this. Maybe it's a manufacturing defect, I don't know. I got two different lot numbers. You know, one was a much newer unit than the first one I put in. This one should have lasted the rest of the life of the car, but it's clearly not lasted. So I have decided to go away from Mopar on this part, and I'm gonna go with a Denso unit. Got it from Rock Auto. Pretty quick, a lot less money. But at this point, I'm not willing to spend $250 plus or $280 plus on another one that's only going to give me 71 or 72,000 miles before it starts leaking. First time 57,000, second time 72,000, third time, if you subtract, it'd be 129 from 202 or whatever, it's about 71, 72,000 miles. That's a crazy coincidence, right? Yeah, I'd say so. But maybe it's design obsolescence, I don't know. But anyway, bumper cover needs to come off. You know, horns need to come off. I gotta take the wrist supports off there to make clear. Then I gotta drain the, you know, recover the AC refrigerant, and take off a couple of bolts and hoses, remove the power steering cooler down there. It's easy enough to do. But this is a pain in the ass, and as an engineer, you know, I'm going to say to other engineers, what the hell is your problem? Unbelievable. The people who involved designing this thing clearly didn't make any changes down the road on the part to correct the problem. So I'm hoping another brand outside of Mopar is going to be the last time I'm doing this. Anyway, I thought I'd share this little video with you guys. I'm not going to bore you with the details of how to do this. It's, you know, there are other videos out there that really lay it all out in detail. Here's the AC suction and liquid lines. trans lines in and out here, and power steering cooler here. Pop that off, transfer the mounts to the new unit, and you know, drop this down. There's a clip here, and a clip on top here. It pops right out. It's pretty easy to pop this out. It's just getting to it. You got to remove the bumper cover and the grill. It's just stupid. Anyway, hope this helps you at least feel a little bit better that you're not the only one. The fact that this has happened now, this is the third time, this is BS. I can tell you that. Anyway, fun times.